Hi, I'm Agent Meister from Best Buy, and here are some tips for cleaning your keyboard and mouse. Now, over time, your keyboard may pick up dirt and debris, or just the breadcrumbs from that great sandwich you just had. The first step we're going to go ahead and do is just pick the keyboard up, turn it over, and shake it a couple times just to get rid of anything that may be in there. Now, you may still have some items stuck or hard to get out when you're trying to shake it, in which case you can always try a can of compressed air. Just to clean through and spray out any of the remaining debris, and then you're ready for your next step. Now moving on, we are going to use a microfiber cloth to help clean the surface of the keyboard. We're going to lightly moisten the microfiber cloth itself. You do want to avoid getting too much liquid on the actual electronics itself. So again, only lightly moisturize the cloth itself. Wipe everything down, nice and easy. Now, there are a bunch of different types of professional chemicals out there for cleaning electronics. You may have one of those at home already. If you don't have access to that, all you need to do, you can use as simple as just purely some water. Some people will choose to make a mixture at home of 1 part water, 1 part vinegar. Other people will use water with just a little bit of dishwasher liquid soap in there. Or if you do have it, some people may even consider 2 parts water, 1 part rubbing alcohol. You do want to get 70% or pure isopropyl alcohol for that. Now, after wiping down your keyboard, you may want to just use a very simple cotton swab. Just again, make it just very lightly damp and use that to get into those hard to reach places in between the keys. This is really great for when you're going ahead and cleaning your mouse in those little areas, those hard to reach areas around the buttons, as well as the little laser measuring device on the bottom there. And that's it. You're ready to go.